Hi, I'm Destiny. I'm a student here at WVU Parkersburg, and today I'm showing you how to access your email. To find your ID, to help you log in, you're going to go to findmyid.wvup.edu in your web browser. Follow the prompts to view the default password. In your web browser, type in the address mail.google.com. Type in your WVUP email address ending in @wvup.edu. Log in using your default password and follow the instructions to create your own password. Now you can log in using your WVUP email address as the new password. To install Gmail on your phone, locate the App Store on your device, type in Gmail, and then download the app as instructed. Log in using your credentials that you've created in the previous step.